The brand new Lee Chemicals Tower plush is here. Is it a crash? You tower and tear down. Is a horny jump? No collapse. Is a game or real? A tower. Is a smash and smash. The 100 and plushie tower. Is a build tower or tower fly. Is jump and jump. Is a fun some plush. Tear down Arnie is the game.
Crave.
The Teardown cereal box Crave B today. Chocolate mess cereal boxes.
Klasky.
Chocolate yum yum.
I am gonna open my mouth and close my eyes, and you'll get me a big surprise.
G'day cracking, chewing, candy, and the Lanice's gumballs.
Nobody lauded finger of my Lanice's gumballs.
Hey Joe, where the last Lanice's gumballs?
Ah,
The last
the last
Lanice's
Lanice's
gumballs.
gumballs.
Aha.
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 Hey. Same to go to deep.
G'day cracking, chewing, candy, and the Lanice's gumballs.
Nobody lauded finger of my Lanice's gumballs.
What happened to the light?
It just a power out, just that.
What was that?
It's just Ross Pig eating Elanius's gumballs.
Oh. Sound like he writes over. Here. How of the bite, little buddy?
Well, okay, King Pig just won.
Hey, that's taste like a Mohon candy.
G'day cracking, chewing, candy, and the Lanice's gumballs.
Nobody lauded finger of my Lanice's gumballs.
The brand new Teardown ball is here. I like a reed ball. Form Teardown. It's C balls? Yes, I do. A suadu. Nornie into 100% longer. Is super duper ball. Look as Lee Chemicals. Some fun, some ball. Teardown and Ornie in the game. The Teardown cereal box Crave B today. Chocolate mess cereal boxes.
Klasky.
Chocolate yum yum.